Okay, today our topic is about acrylic features and applications. We often have some customers, they don't know where they can use acrylic, or they don't know uh, if uh, if his products can use acrylic or not. Or maybe in some places they want to change the materials. They don't know if the acrylic is able to do for the application. So now we may give you some answers about the questions. We will uh, we will list some uh, properties of acrylic and application of acrylic. So you may know better about the materials. We will do all this job in our weekly live stream. Okay, here is two test report. We can start from here. From the test report, first thing, let's say about the temperature. As we know, the acrylic we also call plexiglass is plastic. It's not a real glass, so it's getting soft after temperature getting higher. So we get some inquiries and customers say if the working area reach to some centigrade, if he can still use acrylic. Will acrylic to be soft or getting into liquid after the temperature reach? Okay, here is the test report we did shows, for example, 3 mm. The VCAT soft temperature is 105 centigrade, 105. And for 8 mm, it is 118 mm centigrade. And for 12 mm, it's about 120 centigrade. So you can see, along with the thickness to be thicker, the soft temperature is also getting higher. And for the temperature, acrylic can work in long time. That temperature is 70 centigrade. 70 centigrade. So if your environment temperature is lower than 70 centigrades, acrylic can work long time, no problem. So that's why some customer is asking. They are from very hot place, for example in Africa or Middle East. They are worried about if the acrylic using outside as the used for signage, advertisement, if the acrylic can work. So now the answer is yes, it can work under temperature 70 centigrade and for a long time. It will not change, the shape will not change. Okay, next let's go to light transmission. According to our test report, our sample of acrylic light light transmission is about 93%. 93%. And we did 8,000 hours in the lab for aging. So it means in the natural condition 10 years, the light transmission get down from 93 to 90%. So you can see it's not a big change. Acrylic using outside is no problem. It will not get yellowing quickly, or the light transmission will not get down quickly. It's only a small change. So acrylic using outside is not a problem. And for example, we have last time Jason introduced about our products for swimming pools. Swimming pool using outside the door. For that application, we must add UV protection. For example, this product using outside door, we must add UV protection to anti-yellowing. So the yellow index will be much lower. And next, let's go to about burning. Last time I showed the difference between extrusion and cast acrylic. We fire the acrylic to see the difference after firing. For the anti-fire grade, horizontal, it is HB grade, and for vertical firing, vertical burning, it's V0 grade, and its wind load is 1.8 kPa. That is for 12 mm. That is for 12 mm. If you want to see the difference between cast and extrusion, you can go to our former live stream. We have a very detailed introduction about that. Okay, next let's go to the noise. For noise barriers, for example, this acrylic with the black nylon, or sometimes it is clear nylon inside, or sometimes just a clear or with blue or yellow colors. This acrylic normally thickness from 8 mm, 12 mm, 15, 20, 25. Yeah. This usually used for the noise barrier for living area. For example, in the city, highway, or railway, at the two sides to decrease the noise. And our test report shows it can decrease 33 dB of the noise. This is acrylic used for noise barrier. And acrylic also used for bathtub industry. For example, I'll show you these colors. These colors are all for bathtub acrylic. Customer use it to producing. Yeah, these photos I get from my customer. It's making, you see the white part. It's making the bathtub. And this is his workshop for the products. He produced by vacuum forming. He put in the gas oven for 30 minutes, and the temperature he controlled at most 180 mm. 180 mm. You can see the different colors, and we have different size also. We have bigger size and smaller size. Maximum we can do is around 3 mm width and 8 meter 8 meter long. So it's around 3 by 8 meter. We have the size list. This is the acrylic standard size list. And also we have many different modes for the size. If you are interested, you can come to us and say you want to choose different size based on your application. Then we can send all the sizes for you, so you can choose. And next I want to tell about mirror acrylic sheet. Yeah, this is the different colors of mirror. For the mirror sheet, recently we get some order, but the order is small orders. So I hope if you see this live stream and you want some about this mirror acrylic sheet, then you can contact us. So you can order at very low MOQ to get many different colors. For now, our customer is asking for 9 colors from these different colors. So it can meet, I think, can meet all your needs for mirror acrylic. You can see our sample of a mirror. Now the back is anti-scratch. So this part is most customer they worried about, because if this back is scratched, it means the mirror infection will gone. So this is very important, anti-scratch. You cannot hurt it by your nail. And acrylic mirrors is very good for if you use laser cutting. I'll show you some samples from our customer. Yeah, this one. This is done by laser cutting. All of this is mirror acrylic sheet. All the different colors is mirror acrylic sheet. He made a map of the world, and also he did many different designs, and he cut it and stick on the wall. We have a mirror acrylic sheet with back adhesive, so the glue on the back, so you can stick on the wall. You can use it as mirrors, and you can also make some designs. Okay, this one is used for swimming pool. This wall is acrylic. It's like this thick acrylic. For example, this one is 80 mm, 8 centimeters. Yeah, normally used for the swimming pools. For example, this one. If you want to know the details of about the swimming pool use, swimming pool application, you can go to watch the video of video from Jason. Jason have introduced the acrylic used for swimming pool very specifically. So I will not share more information here. Acrylic, we also have the tubes, these tubes and the rod for acrylic. Customer buying this tube, sometimes they buy to use it as fish tanks. We see in the exhibition, there's many factories. They also buy this and close the top to make fish tanks, fish aquariums. Also, we can customize big size fish aquariums. For example, last time we delivered a big fish aquarium. The diameter is 6 mm and the height is 3 mm. And also acrylic for hot bending. This is done by hot bending. This is a manual stand. This is a manual stand. You can see here, it's made by 2 mm, and this is by hot bending. So and acrylic is also very good at vacuum forming. This is used by vacuum forming. And this is a small fish tank. You put grass and fish inside, and you can hang it on the wall, mount it to the wall. And we also do acrylic by laser engraving. This is by laser engraving. You can see the letters here. Also, we did this is a picture frame. This is a picture frame, but this is customized by customer. It's a school. You can see here is the made by laser engraving. The pictures. And also this by drilled. So you can see acrylic, you can produce many different products. And also this, you can see here, it's transparent, but it's a box. It's a box. Yeah, it's a transparent box. For example, this one, it's also, yeah, it's a box, 5-side box. Yeah, and here, this is rod, acrylic rod. We have different size and bigger diameter. And this makes a flower box. Put flower inside. Okay, acrylic also used for optical industry. For example, we have especially this white. Also, you can see white diffuse. For example, I'll show you. Yeah, for example, this one. This white diffuse infection, or customer call it LDP, light diffuse panels. And also for the laser dotting or silk printing, LGP, light guide panels. So that is used for lighting industry, optical use. Also this fluorescent. This fluorescent. We have totally 3 colors fluorescent. And another very important application for acrylic is for signage industry. People use it. You can see it from the roadside, all the shops they make their brand in acrylic. In some countries, they are using the different materials. For example, PVC materials, but it getting more and more countries they will change into acrylic, because acrylic is very good material for light box. So after it's getting in night, you can lighting from the back, so people can still see the shop name. So it's very good material for light box, and can using outside for many years, and the color will not fade. Will not fade that quickly, but will fade little by little. You cannot find it obviously from this year to next year. Okay, I think today we finish here, and next week we will give new topics, and we will introduce more about the products.